For making chart of your data, it is highly recommended you summarize your data first before making chart to make a correct visualization of the data points. So this data point of 100 rows, and let me first create my pivot. I'll say okay. Order date and sales to be plotted. I'll say, and I'm grouping my dates to on, let's say, months. So I'm having 12 months which to be plotted. So whenever you have data in a date format as a x-axis, you should go for line chart. I'll say pivot charts are there, which is recommended. This pop-up will display. From pop-up, you have to choose line chart. I'll say okay, press okay, you'll be getting the chart. So if you are having one more rows, let's say profit is been added on your values, then your chart will get modified accordingly. And to if you are in multiple value, then you have to go for legend should be there. Otherwise, you can remove the legends. So let me remove other location, other buttons which is a visible value and other things there. So I'll say hide all under analyze field buttons. So this is the option available to me. So where I'm looking for any headers, if header to be there, then I can add the headers. I'll say for format chart area design, I'll go for some quick layouts. Or you can say add element is the right choice where you can target to a specific area. I'll say I'm going for the chart title. Space is there. Okay, I'll double click here. I'll say and it is a sales and profit trend. LL, if you are looking for to add axis titles also, I'll say primary axis. I'll say it is these are months. On y-axis, I'm saying I need to have amounts in INR. In formative axis, you can customize in 1000 or whatever if need. Right click here, format axis. You can change the display unit. Currently, it is none. You can display in hundreds, in thousands, in millions, and whatever you want. You can change. Let it be hundreds. You can change the minimum maximum value. I'll say let it be maximum value up to 50,000. It customize your output accordingly. Allied in x-axis of you can customize. So this is the case which you can customize, even though you can show values, but I won't recommend you show values on your line chart.